ramp, ramp, ramp. Noun. Definition: a slope or inclined plane for joining two different levels, as at the entrance or between floors of a building. Example: a wheelchair ramp. Noun. Definition: an upward bend in a stair rail. Noun. Definition: an electrical waveform in which the voltage increases or decreases linearly with time. Example: a voltage ramp. Verb. Definition: provide with a ramp. Example: we have purposefully ramped the entrance to make it easier access. Verb. Definition: drive up the price of a company's shares in order to gain a financial advantage. Example: they're trying to ramp the share price. Verb. Definition: of an animal rear up on its hind legs in a threatening posture. Example: they roared and ramped in cages.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.